Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I hope everybody's doing great. Hopefully you are enjoying some time off this week and hopefully with some family as well. I'm jumping on real quick. I wanted to just give you guys an update. You know, I've been preparing for this holiday market, which is on December 6th and 7th in Smyrna. If you guys are anywhere nearby and can swing by that handmade market, I would love to meet you. Right now I spent all day packaging up stuff to make them look really, really cute, and I'm hoping that, you know, it looks good to you as well. I'm not changing anything. I think I've packaged up about 100 plus, almost 200 pieces, but I think it looks good. Before I move any further and start pulling out samples of, I'm not pulling out everything, samples of what I'll be taking, the smaller items, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you. You are a blessing. I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family. Be safe. I say that to all the subscribers and everyone who is clicking play on my videos. I appreciate you guys as well. Even if you're not a subscriber, you also make a big difference on this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let me go ahead and show you what I've done. Some of the items you've seen, some of them you probably have not, but let's dig in. So basically I'm showing you the packaging. You've seen the ornaments, right? These ornaments you saw. This is a 4x6 plastic bag that I have this in. I showed it to you in a different video. I'm not going to go through all that, but I wound up wrapping it around. It's the same bag that I have my notebook in, and I'll show you that as well. So I wanted to make sure that my card was in here, so I did that, and I put the ornament face forward and the card in the back. So these are a couple of the different ornaments that I have. Sorry for the glare. I did that one as well. So rather than sell them or package them in groups, I decided that I'm going to sell them and package them individually, and then I can bundle them. Reason being, I may want to change some prices later, right? So all of them are packaged individually. It took a lot of work, and I'm glad I did that, because now looking at the work that I've done, the packaging gives me more confidence in the pricing that I'm thinking of. And I won't really go into what that is right now, because, you know, it may change, but I'll let you guys know how it goes afterwards. So there's that one. And I anticipate having these in a bin, some of them laying on a table, but some in a bin, kind of like that, so people can flip through them like that, as opposed, so if I had multiples in here, they would not be able to see all of them at the same time. Here's an example of how I am doing multiples. So this is a bundle of 3, right? Rather than have them, they are individually wrapped, but they can still flip through and see what the ornament looks like, right? So I figured I'd do it like that. So that's being sold as a bundle. And I tied some ribbon. Look, I don't know how to make a bow, but I do know how to make a swirly. You know, y'all remember back in the day where you just take a pair of scissors and just rub it across there? Yep, that. So packages of those, and I think I got about 3 or 5 of these. I'm not sure. Individual packs. Bundles. Y'all know I have these little candies. All of them. Everything has my business card in there. And for the beginners out there, I printed this on my printer, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a video for beginners, letting you guys know what kind of printer I have, the ink service that I have, because I have a subscription to ink and I never have to go to the store. As a matter of fact, I got a notification that they mailed me out some ink because my smart printer tells them when I'm running low, and I'm sure it's in my mailbox right now. And so I don't even have to think about it. So that's a tool that I'm going to share with you guys that I think everyone really should have. So here's one of those, and I think I printed over the past 2 days but almost 200 cards, and I'll show you the paper I did it on. So that's another video. Here's a couple more packaging, the ornaments. Like, really, I wanted to make sure they were individual. Now here's another set of bundles, right? I have the wine ornaments. Now the bottle had to be upside down because of the way that, you know, the shape, but I wanted packets of 2. So there's one in that side and one on that side, and I got my card in between the 2 so you can see both of them. This one, it's right here, you can see both, but you'll have to flip it to see that this is a wine bottle, right? And the card is there, and then there's the 2 glasses, the wine and the martini, and you have that. So these are sold in sets of 2, but you can bundle the 3 sets and I'll have a price point for that as well. I think I have maybe 6 sets, 6 2-pieces, maybe more, I don't know, of that. And y'all remember these ornaments, so I decided to sell them as a package of 2. I only made about 8 or 9 of them, so they're going to be sold in packs of 2 for a price, and then if you want to bundle another package, then they can get a reduced price on the second one. Now these were probably the easiest things that I've made over the past couple of days. When I say easy, I mean took the least amount of time and was almost already made, with the exception of putting the beads on the string and applying glue if necessary, well, where necessary, right inside that string so that wouldn't slide off. So this is a set of 3, I call them randomly rustic ornaments, and they hang like, here's my extras that I didn't have enough to bundle, and they may be freebies. So they hang like that, right? So I got 2 extras. I made like 50 of these 50 individuals of these, and I think it took me, I want to say I did it on a lunch break, so about 45 minutes I did 50 of these 3-bead ornaments. So literally it took me the least amount of time to do this. So these are going to be sold in bunches of 3, and then of course you can add and bundle. And y'all saw the cards on a different video, so I'll be having some cards as well. Let me see, I have the gift card holder that I made as well, which I think I want to sell as a bundle or offer as a bundle. Not sure. So those, and then my pride and joy is this journal that I've created, and I wanted to show you guys something. It's, for me, I'm trying to put my brand out there, you know, at least my name and contact information. Darlene Knight is always talking about making speaking about awareness and brand awareness. So let me move these out the way. So I wanted to make sure that, you know, I got my business card in every package, including here. I put my business card inside here. Now this one is not the one, it's not one that's going because it's incomplete, but I slide my business card in there and it's ready for someone to purchase that. And when they open it up, my card will be there. All right. So that's another way that I'm sticking my information out there. Another way is on the back of my blank inside greeting cards. And keeping this in mind, I thought I need to do this anywhere and everywhere I can on any of my products, wherever there is a spot. I didn't do it here, but I did create another one here. So now there's a transparent box with my information on it, on my journals. And that's how I'm going to sell them moving forward. I have about 7 of these already made. Who knows? I may get the back and put a label on it. Excuse me. But I didn't want to put a label on it. I wanted it to be embedded in the product. So that's what I did. Y'all see that? So this one was a test, and I like what I see. I was going to make it lighter, but I don't want to mess with the legibility of my information. So there's that. I love it. And this will be packaged with a, just like this, with a pin. And I believe I'm going to make a few more. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I can't speak right now. But I'm getting ready to go anyway. So there's that. But again, all of this was printed on my printer, created on my computer. All right, so with the exception of a banner that I'm going to use, all of my signage is going to be done by me, and everything's going to look the same. So that's what's going on with me right now, guys. And I just wanted to thank you all for the feedback, because, you know, a part of what I did, look, I got my name on here, my initials. Sometimes my handwriting is just so janky, but it is what it is. Darlene suggested I put my name, my initials on my stuff. Why not? She mentioned branding. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have it on everything. So, you know, all of the feedback that I have received, you know, even down to pricing, I've received suggested pricing because I've mentioned what I wanted to sell these for, and I got a suggestion on a different price, and I'm going to go with that price. Like I said, in packaging my stuff, once I saw it in a package and in a finished, presentable way, it gave me confidence to price what I feel it's worth. And it looks the part. So I say, move forward with your initial thought, because the price suggestion was my initial thought. And it's well worth it. It's actually worth more, but I'm going to, this is my first time sitting these, doing this out, the cards, almost everything you saw is my first time doing these. And I've been out of my comfort zone since I started creating a lot of this, and I am going to stay. This is my new comfort zone. How about that? My new comfort zone, and I'm going to go with the flow and create. So guys, I appreciate all of you for being subscribers. It's gonna be more than just jewelry moving forward. However, I miss making jewelry, so as soon as this is over, I'm going to get back to some jewelry. I was watching my own videos while I was stuffing these things. I was watching my videos saying, yeah, I need to do another one. So anyway, guys, thank you for being patient with me and all of my many videos talking about what I'm doing. Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. I will see you guys soon. I'm not going to be online Saturday. I'm going to enjoy the holiday all the way through Sunday. I will be back a week from this coming Saturday for the Create Along Live. But I will be posting, so keep your notifications on, because I got a lot of stuff coming. All right, guys, go create something amazing. Have a great day. Bye.